Hey guys, today I will show you how to restore Binance Web3 wallet. So first what you need to do is open the Binance Exchange app on your device. On the home screen, tap the wallet button. Once that page opens, select create wallet and then choose import wallet. Here we'll be restoring the wallet using a private key. Tap on the import wallet option, then check the box and continue by pressing the continue button. Now paste your private key into the Binance Web3 wallet field. After pasting it, tap import and then confirm. At this point, your Binance Web3 wallet will be successfully restored and you should be able to see all your funds available in the wallet again. Apart from using the private key, you also have the option to restore your Binance Web3 wallet through a backup saved on Google Drive. This way, your assets and tokens will reappear automatically in the wallet. Once your wallet is restored, you may need to re-add tokens manually. To do this, go to Manage Token, tap the plus icon, then select Network. Next, enter the contract address from CoinMarket, and finally tap Import Token. This ensures all your tokens are visible and accessible. With these steps, you can easily restore your Binance Web3 wallet whenever needed. Thanks for watching.